Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Phantom Black 2016 Hyundai Elantra SE, stock number A7197. There are factory fog lights up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Firestone Destination tire. And inside you have a gray cloth upholstery that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Elantra. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. You do have keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it is very clean inside. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, and you've also got a carpeted cargo mat here. There is a backup camera. And the reason that I'm showing you this Elantra today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. This is equipped with traction control. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have audio controls, and on the right side, you've got cruise control buttons. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine. You're going to get great gas mileage here. In highway mileage, you're looking at around 38 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Hyundai or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.